Hi everyone, this is Ankita Mahajan. Let me share with you that why I have started this practical training platform and why I introduced this in front of you. During the initial years of my career, when I started my practice as a CA, at that time I used to meet a lot of people, but on the daily basis with whom I usually interact for the work purpose were two types of people basically. The first one were the persons who are already having a lot of experience, 10 to 15 years experience in the accounting field, in the finance field, and they are maintaining proper books of accounts of some industry. And the second type of people which I met during my starting career were the persons who were just graduates, who were just at the initial stages of their career, have just completed their qualifications. My experience with both of the persons were very different. If I talk about the persons who are already working in the field of accounts and who are having a lot of experience from past several years, I saw that they are also facing a lot of problems while working. Now, what were these problems? They used to start their career as an accountant only, fresher person. They just keep on working on the same thing from past several years, and at that stage, they were that much comfortable with the bills, with the things which are going on in that industry, and they just keep on doing the same thing without having the conceptual understanding about that. They were not aware that why this thing is happening, why we are doing this entry, but they just keep on working on the same thing in a same way from past several years. They were just used to with all the stuff. The second problem which the working accountants were facing during their work routine was that during past several years the government is rapidly changing all the provisions of every act. Firstly, the GST Act came into force. All the indirect taxes were removed from the system. The income tax, there are a lot of changes in the provisions of the income tax. So the people who are already working from last so many years, because they were not having the in-depth understanding, in-depth conceptual understanding. So it was quite difficult for those persons to grab the new thing which is coming. Unless until you don't know why the provision is formulated, why this thing is there, you don't have the in-depth understanding about the particular thing. Of course, that thing will be very difficult for you to understand, to grab, to work on it. So these were the problems which the working people were facing during their routine job. Secondly, the second type of persons, when we used to hire the persons for our own work, they were just freshers. They completed their BComs or MComs or MBAs. But when we asked them in interviews that what you know about the working, what you know, just tell me the provision of this thing, you won't imagine that they were not able to answer a single question. No doubt their grades were very good in their curriculums, but when the work thing comes, they have no idea about this. And they just want a higher package job in the market. And how you are getting the proper jobs when you know nothing? No one is going to pay you for the work which they are going to teach you. The fresher graduates or postgraduates don't even know how to read a bill, how to understand the things which are written on the bill, and how to enter it in any software. This is not an era of maintaining everything manually, which you have studied in your curriculums, that how to make the journal ledger and all the financials and all. This is the software era. You need to work on the particular softwares in any company. But the persons who are freshly qualified, they don't even know how to operate a software, how to see the bills, how to see the actual transactions. They don't even know the purchase entry, they don't even know the sale entry. So these were the problems I used to see in the people when they just come in the market for working. So, for catering all the problems of the persons who are working in the field of accounting and finance or who are going to work in this field, we have just designed all the courses in such a way that the first step of learning, the basic step of learning, will be the understanding of every concept deeply. You will be provided with the in-depth understanding of each and every concept so that if any new event even comes across you, which is not at all discussed in any classes or any of your studies or anywhere, you will be very much comfortable in formulating the entries of those events, just doing the correct treatment of them. All the compliances should be followed regarding that. So, everything which you need to understand for working properly, not only for the current stuff, but for the stuff which will come across you in the near future or in after 10 years or after 20 years. Each and everything you will be comfortable with. The second thing is working on a particular software. No matter which software you are using or which software your company is using, you just need to understand that how to operate any kind of software. For this, you don't need to learn each and every software of the world, but yes, you need to practice the works using the softwares only, because you are not going to do each and everything manually by your hands. You just need to understand what outcomes the software is giving to you. So, working on a particular software, this is a very important step because you are not at all going to work on anything manually. You just need to understand that how to work using the technology. This is the part of the course. The third thing is practicing on the softwares by your own hands. You will be provided with the actual data so that after learning everything, when you go in the market for working, you won't be feeling this thing that you are not aware about anything which is in front of you. So practicing by your own hands is very important. Unless until you do everything by your own hands, you won't get that much confidence of working, because understanding a concept is a different thing. Watching someone else working on anything is a different thing, and working by your own hands is completely different thing. So practicing with different kind of items, with different kind of bills, with different kind of data, returns, compliances, government policies, that is also very important, which will be the core area of your learning. So when you will be having the complete understanding of all the compliances, all the provisions, that how to work on any kind of event or transaction which is going to occur in the business or in your company, then of course when any provision comes from the government side also, you will be able to understand that thing properly, because this is a very important and main thing, because government is rapidly changing each and everything of the country. They are changing all the compliances, all the provisions, just for the betterment of the country. But for the finance professionals, it is quite difficult sometimes when it comes to understand that what they are trying to say and how to use these things in our working, because that is the very confusing part. And why there is a confusion? Because of lack of in-depth understanding. But when you will be having the complete understanding of everything, you won't be having any problem with all these new changes by the government. And now the point arises that why I kept the complete training programs online. Why not the physical classes, or why not the time bound classes, and why not live classes? Because a person who is already working, sometimes you are in your office and you are just busy out there till 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., or sometimes you are just free for the whole day and you want that you should learn each and everything in a very speedy manner. So, as per your work schedules, everyone is having a lot of problems and a lot of things to cater during your learning, because this is not the, you can say, the exam based learnings. You are not going to give any exam or you are not going to get any degree out of it. But yes, this is for your career growth, this is for your understanding, for your knowledge. So, flexibility of time is very important for every person. That whenever they are free, they just go and click on their course and just start surfing it. And if we talk about notes, why we are providing the notes, of course, for the classes, because this is just an understanding based things, but why notes are required? The notes are specifically designed by me for each and everything, that how I am teaching in the class, everything is written in the notes, of course. And why the notes are required? Of course, if after completing the course you are having any query regarding anything which came across you, you just don't need to go and watch the complete video of 1 hour or 2 hours. You just need to go and check out your notes. Everything which I speak in the class, everything is completely written in the notes as well. So that you, after completing your course, if you are having any doubt or anything, you can just go on the notes and start working on it. Along with that, this is very important that you should have a one-to-one interaction with your trainer as well. That if you have any doubts or anything you want to ask, any practical situation which is there in your mind which you want to discuss, then you can discuss with me straight away. I'm every time available on the WhatsApp. And of course, live classes, live query sessions will also be conducted from time to time for taking all the queries, for understanding, for my understanding also, that how the people are getting the classes and how they are feeling about it, how they are understanding the things, or whether they are having any problems or not. So everything will be complete. You can say one-to-one interaction will be there with me all the time, because this is the practical training. So you are going for working on all the stuff which we are going to discuss. These are not exams that once you have cleared the exams and you are just done with it, but this is a continuous thing which is going lifelong with you. So if after completion of the course as well, you came across some situations out of which you are not getting any solutions, then also you can interact with me on the same WhatsApp contact numbers, that how to deal with this situation. This is also very important, because once you can feel that you are very well aware of everything and you know each and everything properly, but afterwards somehow some situation arise sometimes that you don't understand that what to do in this particular situation. So for that thing also, we will be continuously in touch.
Hello friends, myself Amit Kumar and I am working as an accountant in a manufacturing unit Ludhiana. During my job period, I face lot of problems and issues regarding my accounting process and concepts. So I decided to join a accounting course from Munshi Learning. During my course period, I grabbed the whole knowledge about the GST, income tax, TDS like TCS, others accounting fundamentals, and I especially thanks to Ma'am Ankita Mahajan who provide me full knowledge and information regarding my accounting course. So I request and recommend to all the students and person join Munshi Learning and improve your skills and knowledge. Thank you.